If a person is convicted of heroin possession with having been already convicted of possession of heroin or any other drug in federal or state court, they may be sentenced to no less than 15 days and not more than 2 years in prison and can be fined no more than $2,500. If a person is convicted 2 or more times of being in possession of heroin or any other narcotic drug, in either federal or state court, they may be sentenced to no less than 90 days, will be given a fine not less than $5,000, or both. The sentence and the amount of the fine are determined by the quantity of the drug seized. Most drugs are tested using a screening and confirmatory test. For heroin, we use a Marquis color test, a mixture of sulfuric acid and formaldehyde. Scientists use this reagent to test for illicit drugs. This reagent turns purple in the presence of heroin. After the presumptive color test is used, a confirmatory test known as gas chromatography mass spectrometry will be used. This is an analytical test that combines the features of gas chromatography and mass spectrometry to identify all the different types of substances within a sample. First, the sample is prepared. It's dissolved in a solvent then injected into the inlet pot. The liquid sample is vaporized while in the inlet and becomes a gas. We then move to the mobile phase where an inert gas then carries the sample through the column. The substances in the sample interact with the column's stationary phase, which causes them to separate while traveling at different speeds. The separated substances leave the column one by one, where they then enter the detector. Because heroin comes from poppy plants, it's more likely to be found in Asia, Mexico and Colombia.